In this video, we will show you how to insert OpenAI API Keys on ChatGPT for Microsoft Word. In here, when you're using ChatGPT for Microsoft Word Addins, you can using the trial, and the trial is available. But if the trial is ended, you can insert your API key. You can clicking this menu and access your API key here. Then you can fill the API key in here. Okay, you need to open AI APK. This is something look like this, but maybe you need to subscription on the OpenAI and not free version, and you can fill your OpenAI APK here. Then you can click save button, and that's all tutorial how to insert the OpenAI APK on your ChatGPT for Microsoft Word. Hope this video helpful for you.